Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're doing a little 8K video test here on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start off just filming myself. Unfortunately, I do not have a video editor that can edit 8K video, so this is all just going to be a straight shot of 8K video recording and just upload it straight to YouTube, straight from the Galaxy S24 Ultra itself. So we are recording at 8K 30 frames per second with the rear facing camera that is not available with the front facing camera. So this is the only option that we have right here. This is all handheld as well, so I'm holding it, as far away as I can from my face because I can't really tell if I'm perfectly in frame or not. Y'all can let me know down in the comment sections below. But what do y'all think? And also let me know what you think about the microphone quality as well. Just go ahead and do a nice steady walk here. That way we can check out stabilization. Now, even though I do not have a video editor that edits 8K video here on the S24 Ultra, we do still have the option of pausing our recording and then continuing it, if I want to add another clip to this video itself, since I don't have a video editor where I can just, put a bunch of clips together. So that's an option that we can do within the, or while recording this 8K video as well. But what do y'all think? Let me go ahead and turn the phone around here. Just going to pan around here a little bit. Check out the colors on some of the artwork here. And then we can see what kind of detail it gets if we get pretty close up to this pillar here, for instance. Look at the detail there on that. Now we do have the option to zoom in on Marilyn Monroe over there up to 5 times zoom. Now it's not using that telephoto lens, it's just a digital zoom, but actually before hitting that record button when it comes to the 8K video recording, it gives you an option of using the main lens at 1 time or the telephoto lens at 5 times. Now, unfortunately, I can't put those 2 clips together like I said, but if you do want to see a separate video, just, straight video recording with that 5 times telephoto lens, let me know down in the comments and I will do a separate video recording. Let's go and take a walk over here to Marilyn Monroe, and y'all can let me know what you think. Stabilization is looking pretty good. Nice big statue over here, look at that. And then we do have the sun just starting to go right over the mountain over there. Now hopefully you guys can hear me over the music that's being played over here. Got these 2 guys over here just jamming out. Let's go ahead and take a walk over this way. Let's see what we got going on down here. Oh, we used to have a bunch of stuff down there, but it looks like they cleared it out and it's totally empty. It kind of reminds me of Squid Games. That's where they have the Squid Games down there. Well, let's go ahead and walk over here to this big poster or painting artwork over here. Check out the colors on that. Look at that. What do y'all think? Greetings from the beautiful Palm Springs, California. This big hotel right here, right next to me. Again, 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. Let me go ahead and pause it and let's go out and take a walk somewhere else. All right, so making our way out to the main walk out here, downtown Palm Springs. Got the cars driving by. Got the stars down there, kind of like we're in Hollywood. But we'll just keep it nice and steady here with the walk. Well, there you have it, just a little bit of 8K video recording here with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Again, all handheld. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment sections below, just about overall video quality, the detail when it comes to this 8K video, the colors, the sound, just everything you think about this 8K video recording. Again, at 30 frames per second. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, and if you did find it helpful, make sure you leave it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.